Interested in mastering the art of residential locksmithing or simply want to enhance your home security, you're in for a treat. In this video, we unveil the ultimate guide to essential tools for repairing residential locks. Let's dive into the locksmith toolbox. First up, meet the pinning kit, your go-to tool for rekeying locks. This compact kit holds all the pins and springs needed to revamp a lock, easily replace worn-out components and ensure your lock is in top-notch condition. Next on our list is the plug follower. This tool allows you to gracefully remove the lock's core without causing any damage to the intricate pins or springs inside, a must-have for efficient lock repairs and rekeying tasks. Enter the tension wrench, a small, L-shaped tool crucial for applying pressure to the lock cylinder while picking it. With the tension wrench, you can skillfully manipulate the lock's pins and discover the correct combination for a smooth unlock. No locksmith's arsenal is complete without a lockpick set. This comprehensive kit features various hooks, diamonds, and rakes designed to assist in opening different types of locks, an absolute essential for locksmiths and lock repair enthusiasts alike. Last but not least, meet the key extractor tool, vital for removing broken keys from locks. This tool is a time saver and frustration reliever, whether it's your front door or a client's. The key extractor ensures a quick and damage-free extraction. Curious to explore more locksmithing tips? Watch our video on the Caracal kit, the must-have tool for those unexpected vehicular lockouts. Equip yourself with these essential tools, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a residential lock repair expert. Equip yourself with these essential tools, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a residential lock repair expert. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more locksmith tips, tricks and tutorials.